Justice Committee on Anglo-Manipur War 1891, Martyrs and Freedom Fighters of Kangleipak, Manipur organized remembrance of martyrs of Anglo-Manipur War 1891 at Konthoujam Bazaar Committee Hall today. Floral tributes were offered to photographs of martyrs before visiting Konthoujam River near Tengol Lampak and offering tributes there as well. Speaking on sidelines, Justice Committee on Anglo-Manipur War 1891 Chairman Joychandra Konthoujam said that it is paramount to preserve the integrity of state that has been passed down by our forefathers, highlighting that spirit of sacrifice being the greatest contribution we can give. The committee regards the historic event in the highest manner and continues to reconstruct historical sites related to the event. Moreover, he stressed that students and youths need to be aware of our history in order to appreciate it fully. History is evident of our strength and courage as our ancestors continued to face several invasions, such as 7 years' devastation and standing up to the mighty British Empire. Had our forefathers run away from it, the state would have been captured by the erstwhile Burmese Empire. Moreover, Manipur ultimately achieved independence from the British, and though it has now merged to the Indian Union, the people remain independent. He questioned the proxy war carried out on the people of Manipur by the Indian administration. He further questioned why Sioux pacts are signed with foreigners and continue to keep them operating within the state. The event was attended by BJP Manipur Pradesh President A. Sharada, Justice Committee Vice Chairman KSH Somarendro, Convener W. Kameshwar, among others.
India ki wari ki makada ai koi ngairaga lebi ngasi di Manipur da awaba amthena waba hai ko re hai wa phuma dini aduna tasina ngasi India na ai koi ngasi phawba da proxy war ai koi de sati kari gi damak da proxy war sati India na ai koi mathakta ngasi adugullaba foreigner singa suspension of operation su tauna raga ai koi gi leibak sida thamjilaga ai koi da kangkhong sailiba adugunna mission praja haliba yum mai thariba tawi mayam se masina tapudi ai koi India na ai koi merge tawriba ai koi gi leibak se khatane ba aduga ai koi isa di ai koi gi India na ngasi phawbada Indian ni haiba ngasi phawbada khanbi deba India ki citizen ne na ngasi phawbada ubi deba India ki citizen ne na khalagadi kaidawgi ngasi kaidawgi proxy war Manipur da sathari ai koi ngasi phawbada ngasi suna maram oiraga adugunlaba tabak thorum sina maram oiraga Manipur ngasi tin tang khong saire maram aduna ai koi iram dam sida leba ira isa pudi mona ai koi amata oina punchilaga yengnabri singna kana no haibudo ai koi punna khanaraga maithi bu pibu matam lore